Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's now update our gold market. So here you can see we've got absolutely stunning results over this downside collapse. Market not just took out the 32 area but shown the downside straightforward action to the 31. And only in the weekend we talked about weekly setups. I have explained why the 31 is really very attractive. It's a great trading area. But in the weekend it was seemed that it's too far and hardly we will get something in this week. But you can see that time is changing, and actually market right now could reach even so deep levels that we have for direct trading on the weekly chart. So what we do now, first of all, on the daily chart we are not considering any new shorts. Our grabbers completed. Market that oversold, stand in the strong support area, we rather start searching for a chance to go long. Why? Because if you once again take a look at the weekly chart, we have absolutely great setup for a bread and butter trade on the weekly chart. It means that here we could get healthy bounce back to approximately 33.50 area. So $20 per contract, sorry, $200 per contract. That's really great potential result. The major problem, or maybe not the problem, but we should not actually be deceived by the market. We need to get the clear sign that market has start preparing something right at this point. Also, it was important, I already talked about this in the weekend, but just to remind you, here we also have the MACD, and you can see we could get the grabber right particular on this week, which is actually why that's the reason why I explained this in the weekly reports. It's just perfect combination. But just imagine bullish grabber, confidence support, daily and weekly oversold. What else we need for taking the new long position? It's just perfect point. Here is 31.30 on the daily chart. This is 30.87. So market stands somewhere in between. So that's overall background that we have long position. So bears currently has to be absolutely happy with this performance. So our downside action perfectly completes. We have the butterfly, we have ABCD, right, the agreement there and support and so on. Now you have two options to take the long position. So first option, if you trade especially on the weekly chart, theoretically you could try and take the long position even right now, because formally you already have patterns on your back. What are particular patterns? You have the butterfly, which is potentially a reversal pattern, and you have the big guarded triple to buy on daily. So in fact we have this one. It's also bullish pattern and it stands in place. Right? So this already created the necessary background for possible taking the long position. Your stop will be below this area, somewhere below 30.80. This is the first approach. Second approach, well, it's our common view, as we usually do. We usually drop our time frame more, say to the hourly chart. Currently we do not see it anything yet here because market just has reached this level. But here we start searching for bullish patterns in place. What it might be. Some starting upward action, minor hand shorts will be formed. This is, we do it for two reasons. First, the appearing of the bullish patterns confirms that this is particularly the area when the market starts reversal, so that we're not doing mistake with this. The market by price action is confirming these points. Second, the minor pattern on the hourly chart, for example, led us to place really tight stops. So our risk will be absolutely small. So that's actually the reasons why we're doing this. But this is not necessary. So it depends on your trading style, depending on your time frame. You could choose whatever scenario you would like to. So those of you who would like to more details and take the more precision position taking, you need to wait what will happen on the hourly chart and see what the price shape will be formed. Those who are trading on the high time frames, and actually it's not really important to to catch the precise entry points, you could base your trading on the patterns that we already have in place. Big daily garbage triple to buy and butterfly pattern that potentially might trigger this upward action. So that's actually towards what we have on the gold. As a bottom line, no shorts anymore. Searching for taking long position or taking long position, depending on what you prefer. So that's actually all for now. See you next time.